Hey guys, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to be doing a quick review of the 8505, the charger that goes for the Norelco shaver. Now, if you guys are watching this review, you probably had an issue with your original cord that came with your electric razor. I have had this razor for at least 3 or 4 years, and just recently the cable it stopped charging my shaver, and I think a lot of it has to do with the ports here. It actually starts to wear out here, and it doesn't make contact with the prongs here of the razor. So I went ahead and purchased this replacement charger, and this one actually, I believe it fits the 3000, 5000, 7000, and 9000 series of this razor. And I will tell you for certainty that this particular charger works perfectly with this razor. Now, initially, when I purchased it, I didn't think that this was the right size, but this is the right size for this particular 3-head Norelco razor. It works as advertised. I noticed that the time to full charge with this newer cable is actually shorter. So that was actually like an added benefit. I only had to plug it in for probably like half or 3/4 the time, and this would stop illuminating, letting me know that it was fully charged. And other than that, I haven't noticed any difference between the replacement charger and the previous old charger. So if you guys are interested in purchasing a new charger for your electric razor, definitely recommend picking up this particular cord, and it will probably be the right one for you guys. Like most review videos, I would love it if you guys give me a thumbs up, and also make sure you guys follow my influencer page. I would love to have you guys join me for all of my reviews I do on all of my products. I give you guys honest reviews, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.